Hi guys! Welcome back to Donna Rosa Vlog. So, welcome back to Donna Rosa Vlog. Yes. Guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. Dito is morning. It's time of my breakfast coffee. So, today guys, hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagawin ko today. But in the first place, I'm going to again in supermarket. So, nag-iisip ako guys kung ano na naman yung bago nating lulutuin. So, guys, siguro sa mga nagtataka sa akin, I'm always wearing black. Yes, because this time, for how many years after giving birth of my two sons, I'm not slim at all. Yeah, I'm getting expand. Before I'm like this, but this time like this. Yes, that's why I'm always wearing a black, black suit, black t-shirt, or black clothes. Yes, a very random. I using another color because I want to wearing black, because if you wearing black, you make slim. That is the purpose of that, to wearing black. Yeah, even you are bigger, but if you wearing a black, you make a slim. Yeah, just like that. So that's why I always wearing black. So if I'm wearing black, I feel sexy again. So for how many years? I think is 10 years, because my elder son is already 10. So in my elder son, just a little bit bigger, but in my second son, I'm just like this, because when we are in the Philippines, guys, more rice, that's why. Yes, that's why I'm bigger and bigger. Ayan, pag nasa Pilipinas tayo kasi, masarap kumain ng rice, diba? Kasi madami kang kasabay kumain. Ayan. Instead na ayaw mong kumain ng rice, napapatakam ka, diba? Ewan ko ba? Kasi nung umuwi ako ng Pilipinas, hindi naman ako sanay na kumain ng morning, ng rice. Pero pag nandoon, naku, bakit hindi ko mapipigilan? Ang sarap talaga kumain ng rice. So dito sa ibang bansa, very random. Random talaga. Kasi syempre mag-isa ka lang kumain. At saka ang maano mo lagi yung mga English food, Western food. Yeah. So, hindi mo maisipan na kumain ng rice. So, my breakfast this morning is only coffee. Yeah, only coffee, and then I have banana bread, just like this. Yeah, but I'm so full. Yeah, I eat one slice, just like that. So, ayan na guys. Ito yung ating unang video in this morning. So, we will be continue later on kung ano bang gagawin natin. So, sa una nating kasi medyo haba natin yung ating video konti kasi nga para din yun sa ating revenue. So, sa ngayon, shoutout ko yung aking masugid na laging nagko-comment sa aking video. So, number 1, Cecilia Vlog. So, pogi ng KSA. Yes, pogi. You are so pogi. Like my son, you are so pogi. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much, pogi. So, ayan, isa-shoutout na kita lagi kasi in my life, nandoon ka, even tamsak-tamsak lang. So, it's my pleasure. And then, nagko-comment ka sa aking mga upload videos. So, ayan. Thank you so much. Yeah. So, Jing Vlog, so Dai, thank you so much. Hindi man ako makapag-attend ng primer mo or sa live mo minsan kasi medyo busy din tayo. Pag madaanan ko yung live mo, nagko-comment at nagtatamsak din ako. So, pero yung mga upload videos mo, dahil piniplay ko yan. So, thank you so much sa pag-reply din, sa play din ng aking mga videos. Yun, thank you so much. So, sa laging nandyan, thank you so much. Ingat ka lagi, Day. Yung health natin, importante. Ayan. So, pogi ng KSA, thank you so much. Mag-ingat ka din. Cecil, thank you so much. And then, I will pray for your pamangkin na maging maayos at makarecover na siya, no? So, it's so sad naman kasi naranasan niya na yung ganyang kalagayan na bata pa siya. So, we always pray. Hindi natin kakalimutan yung mag-pray lagi at bigyan pa siya ng mahabang buhay. So, sa lagi kong ginagamit na music at sa aking mga live, Star Mix, Dong, thank you so much. No? Ingat ka din lagi kung saan ka man ngayon. Thank you so much sa magandang music and then Supotski. Thank you so much, Dai. Thank you so much. Thank you so much sa magagandang remix music and then Misty Kangkang. So I always use your music also. Kung ano yung mga bagong upload ninyo, ayan. Kung may comment man or like yung Angka Joy is my another account. So ayan guys, thank you so much. Ito yung aking papasalamat sa inyo na nagsusupport din sa aking video, sa aking mga live. Ayan, thank you so much guys. I love you. I love you. God bless you all. Okay?
A few moments later.
Hello guys sa inyo. Ano ba kayo style na maggawa ng ng mushroom o magluluto ng mushroom? Yan. Ito yung akin guys. Nilagay ko siya sa dry kawali. Ayan. At saka yung mushroom natin ganito. And then tatakpan natin ito guys. Tatakpan natin hanggang siya magtubig siya. Ayan. Babantayan natin na magtubig. Pagkatapos natin yan gawin na nagtubig na siya, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung paano in the next step sa ating mushroom. Okay? Look at guys, ganito na yung ating mushroom. Ayan, watery na siya. Ayan na. No, no spice, no at all. Yeah, nothing. Just I put the mushroom and then they become a watery. Yeah, this is my technique or my style how fried mushroom. Ayan. Tanggalan muna natin siya ng water. Ayan. So that our mushroom will be crispy when we gonna fry, right? Yeah, just like that. Oh, maybe it's okay. And then after that, we strain natin yung ating mushroom. Tanggalan natin ng water. Pwede natin siya i-range ng cold water. Ayan, cold water natin. I-range natin ng cold water. Okay? So, ito yung ginamit ko kanina na stir fry ng onions na ilalagay natin sa ating fried rice. Yeah, this one, our mushroom. Yeah, ganito yung ating mushroom. Tsaka may konting oil naman siya, guys. Ayan. Kasi yun ang pinag-aanuhan natin ng ating onion kanina. Kasi gagawa tayo ng fried rice. Ayan. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung style na naman natin ng fried rice. Kung anong rice ang ginamit natin. Ayan. So, i-fry natin ito. Ayan. So, yung gagamitin natin dito, guys, half lang. Kasi yung iba, ilalagay ko din ito sa pasta. Oh, yes. We have a pasta for my next cooking. Yeah, today we have fried rice with bacon. Ayan, and mushroom. So, let's go to finish this. Guys, ito yung ating rice na ginamit. Alam mo ba yun? Rice with ano bang tawag nito? Oh, nakalimutan ko. Vermicelli na parang yung vermicelli nga yan, na noodles, yan. Together na yan, guys. Yung yung binili ko na rice na mayroong ganito. So, this is my first time kung ano yung taste at itatry natin. Kasi ang ilagay ko dito is mushroom and bacon. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys, yung ating mushroom is naging crispy na siya at brown. Ang nilagay ko lang dito is konting salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. Ayan, para may taste yung ating mushroom. Ayan. So, ganito na yung ating fried rice. Hindi ko na pinakita kung paano ko siya na kasi yung una kong ginawa is bacon. Na ikakat-cut ko siya ng maliliit. And then, without anything, nilagay ko siya sa frying pan. Ayan. Pagkatapos, nilagay ko yung fried rice. Yung rice natin, not fried rice. Yung rice natin, nilagay ko. And then, nag-fry ako ng onion. At nilagay ko na din. So, ganito na guys. Ayan. So, with bacon. At mamaya ilalagay natin yung mushroom. So, ito na guys. Perfect na yung ating mushroom. Ano na siya? Okay na siya. Pwede na yan. At naging crispy na siya. Ayan. Crispy na crispy. Ayan. At saka, lalagay na natin sa ating fried rice. So, ganito na guys, yung ating fried rice with mushroom. Ayan. So, lagyan natin siya ng sauce. Japanese sauce. Yes. Para yummy. Okay? Guys, hindi ko siya na nilagyan ng salt or soy sauce kasi yung ating bacon is salted. So, no salt or soy sauce. Kasi ano na siya eh, maalat na. So salty after all. So ayan na guys, yung ating fried rice. Okay, let's eat na naman. Ayan, sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe ng ating channel, Donna Rosa Vlog, please subscribe and like and comment na rin. Sa gustong mag-try this one, okay, just comment. And then, let's try. Diba? So, masarap yan guys. So, every time to time, I'm doing another recipe. Yes, para hindi naman sila magsasawang kumain. Ganun tayo pag nasa kitchen guys. Kailangan natin sila busugin lagi para everybody's happy, right? Okay? So, we will end our vlog today. Okay, happy eating na. So, don't forget Donna Rosa Vlog. Thank you, everyone.